Is the Safe and Healthy UVC Light a scam? Safe and Healthy UVC Light is an as seen on TV portable UVC wand that allegedly makes surfaces virus-free in 10 seconds. Some people believe this is a scam simply because it sounds too good to be true, but UVC Light is already used by some hospitals in the United States and Canada to sanitize. China has even been using UVC Light on buses. We know UVC can kill germs. However, the intensity required for it to work as effectively as possible is harmful to the skin and eyes. That is why, for the most part, when UVC lights or robots are activated, the rooms are first vacated and doors closed. There have been more recent studies that have found lower levels of UVC light to still work without putting human tissue at risk. The debate is still out with regard to how effective it is. There are doctors and scientists in 2020 that still argue both sides. Similar devices are widely available both on Wish and AliExpress from China. So, is the Safe and Healthy UVC Light a scam? The CDC won't even make a decision on UVC efficacy. One thing that makes me uncomfortable is safeandhealthy.com has a section of their website devoted to backing up the claims they've made, but all they do is pass the buck by saying that the claims made are claims provided to them by the factory manufacturing the item in China. Can China-based manufacturers even be held accountable in other countries? But wait, maybe it works. And if it does, it may very well be a must-buy. TVStuffReviews.com has an extensive report on this Safe and Healthy UVC light, as well as 5,000 other as seen on TV items. If this video helped you at all, please give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. So, do you think this Safe and Healthy UVC light is a scam?